Hi, Jimmy's mom. You made my heart break. I wrote this song about you. I hope you like it, you bitch. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love you and hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart, staying in my head. You can find another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love you and hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Wow, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening in my heart instead in my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. You left me falling and landing inside my grave. I know that you want me dead. I take prescriptions to make me feel okay. I know it's all in my head. I have these lucid dreams where I can't move a thing, thinking of you in my bed. You were my everything till the wedding ring. Now I'm just better off dead. I'll do it over again. I do want to do it. I want to blow in the wind, chilling and near my friends. See the shit in the past. I wanted to last. You were made out of plastic, fake. I was tangled up in your drastic ways. I know evil Judy's had the prettiest face. You gave me a heart that was full of mistakes. I gave you my heart and you made heart break. You made my heart break. You made my heart ache. You made my heart break. You made my heart ache. You made my heart break. You made my heart ache. You made my heart break out again. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the facade that I gave you. It's to the point where I love you and hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart, staying in my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love you and hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Wow, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead in my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. This shit in the past, but I want it to last. You were made out of plastic, fake. I was jiggled up in your drastic ways. Who knew Judy had the prettiest face? You just said and then done. I thought you were. Well, I don't know how to fucking end this shit, so this is what you're getting. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys. Fuck you, Judy.